Good morning everyone. So today we are going to start with the topic which is regional rural bank. हमने पहले इसका बहुत ब्रीफ में डिस्कस किया था. आज हम इसको एलेबोरेटेड मैनर में डिस्कस करेंगे. जो रीजनल रूरल बैंक है इनिशियली स्टार्ट हुआ था 1975 में. नरसिम कमेटी ने स्टार्ट किया था रीजनल रूरल बैंक. बेसिक ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या था रीजनल रूरल बैंक का? टू मीट द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ फंड्स इन द रूरल एरियाज. और रीजनल रूरल बैंक्स को सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंस दी जाती थी अदर देन द कोऑपरेटिव और कमर्शियल बैंक्स. 26 सितंबर ऑर्डिनेंस पास हुआ था. आफ्टर दिस ऑर्डिनेंस हैज़ बीन पास्ड 5 RRB regional rural banks were established on 2nd October 1975. After this Regional Rural Bank Act 1976, the first regional rural bank was established named as Prathama Gramin Bank, which was sponsored by Syndicate Bank, जिसके इनिशियल कैपिटल थी 5 करोड़ रुपीस. एंड उसके बाद there are 4 more RRB banks which were established on the same day. One among them was set up in West Bengal under the name of Gaur Gramin Bank, which was the first Gramin Bank of Eastern India. जो रीजनल रूरल बैंक्स हैं ये सुपरवाइज्ड कौन करता है? नबारद. इट हैज़ बीन सुपरवाइज्ड बाय नबारद. एंड ऑल द स्टेट्स इंक्लूडिंग RBI, RRB in India except Sikkim and Goa. Coming to its features of regional rural bank. First one is the sponsorship. कोई भी कमर्शियल बैंक स्पॉन्सर कर सकता है RRB को. फॉर एग्जांपल जो इलाहाबाद यूपी ग्रामीण बैंक था उसको स्पॉन्सर किया था इलाहाबाद बैंक ने. और जो बड़ौदा यूपी ग्रामीण बैंक था इट हैज़ बीन स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा. नेक्स्ट इज management. Coming to its management segment, the management of RRB board of members 8 directors होने चाहिए जिसमें से 3 directors must be from the sponsored bank. ठीक है, 3 directors होने चाहिए sponsored bank में से. 2 directors must be from the state government and 3 from the central government, which constitute the combination of 8. 3 from the sponsored bank, 2 from the state government and 3 from the central government. This constitute the management of RRB. Coming to its share capital, the capital structure of RRB 1 crore basically start from the 1 crore and issued capital is 25 lakhs. And it must be contributed, capital must be contributed by the central government, state government as well as sponsored bank. The ratio is 50, ratio 15, ratio 35 respectively. Central government के 50, state government के 15 and sponsored bank it is 35 ratio. Coming to its function, RRB के basic functions क्या हैं? RRB के basic functions हैं offer loans, provide cooperative societies, agricultural laborers, cooperative farming society and small businessmen. It also expand its banking facilities by collecting checks, issuing draft and so on. Coming to the rate of interest, जो rate of interest RRB में हमें provide होता है it 0.50 more interest on deposits than the commercial bank. कमर्शियल बैंक से अगर हम कंपेयर करें द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज 0.50% मोर इंटरेस्ट वी विल बी रिसीविंग अंडर द RRB एरियाज. Coming to its objectives, the objectives of RRB is basically to offer loan and advances to target groups, चाहे वो small farmers हो, small businessmen, weaker section of the society. The next is RRB helps in encouraging various types of activities in rural areas, which includes industry, trade and commerce, motivate rural entrepreneurs, boost employment opportunities in rural areas, as well as it helps in meeting the social responsibility to settle the objective of rural business.